Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix no user found problem in UAE Pass. So first of all, you need to check your login credentials and you need to make sure that you are using the correct phone number or Emirates ID that was used during UAE Pass registration. If you forget your credentials, you can even forget password and you can just reset your account. In the second method, you just have to go to Google Play Store or App Store and you need to check for updates. If the app is up to date, you can even try to uninstall and reinstall the UAE Pass mobile application and it will also refresh your data. In the third method, if your account is still not found, you may need to re-register on uaepass.ae website. So in order to do it, you can either download the UAE Pass application and tap on create a new account, and you can even tap on I have an existing account and go on the troubleshooting methods. If you had an account before and it is missing, you can even contact with the UAE customer support team, and for that you need to go to UAE Pass's official website, and from there you can basically contact them via email and phone number. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.